coming, Molly? Oh, don't get wet. It's okay. Come on. It's okay, Molly. It's okay. It's not so bad. I'm not going to walk too far. A giant piece of driftwood! Gwen, that's not a stick!
Gwen, here's some sticks, buddy.
That's firewood! Oh, that's a good stick. Whoa! Molly's investigating the firewood.